Donald Trump found himself in another courtroom Monday. The former president went on trial for fraud in a New York civil case against him and his family business that could deal a major blow to his real estate empire.
This is a continuation of the single greatest witch hunt of all time.
Trump, the frontrunner for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination, is accused of inflating the value of his assets by billions of dollars to secure better loan and insurance terms. Before entering the courtroom, Trump called the case a scam.
Just so you know, my financial statements are phenomenal. They are actually less in terms of the numbers used than the actual net worth. The actual net worth is substantially more.
New York Attorney General Letitia James is pursuing the case.
The law is both powerful and fragile. No matter how much money you think you may have, no one is above the law.
An attorney for her office said in his opening statement that Trump illegally generated more than $100 million in financial benefits from describing his finances to banks in a materially inaccurate way. An attorney for Trump responded that the financials for Trump and the Trump Organization were entirely legal. The trial comes after the judge found Trump, his adult sons, and 10 of his companies liable for fraud. The trial largely concerns the penalties they must face. Here's former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani.
This is a bench trial, which means the judge is going to decide both liability and damages in the case. There's no jury. And the reason that's important is the judge has already ruled that Trump and his organization submitted false financial statements and records. So the same person who ruled on summary judgment in favor of Attorney General Letitia James is also going to be deciding the facts in this case.
James is seeking at least $250 million in fines, a permanent ban against Trump and his sons Donald Jr. and Eric from running businesses in New York, and a 5-year commercial real estate ban against the former president and the Trump Organization. Hofstra University law professor James Sample said the outcome could be devastating for Trump.
Because this is a civil case, there's no chance that the former president will be incarcerated as a result of anything arising out of this case. However, it may be the case that the 4 criminal matters that are pending against the former president won't hurt him as much as this civil case might, because this has the potential to hit him where he cares arguably the most, and that's about his pocketbook.
The trial is scheduled to run through early December, and Trump is expected to testify.